Hi, Russell Ingall here, back on site with another fantastic Soudabond product, the Soudabond Subfloor adhesive. If you want to save time and money, stand by. Let's go see how this product works. Now, an integral part of the Soudabond subflooring system is this applicator gun. Fully adjustable so you can get that bead absolutely perfect. And the good thing about it, look at that size of the nozzle, which means easy application. You're not bending over like other construction adhesives. Saves the knees and saves the back. For all you tradies, I'm sure you enjoy that. I just want to give you a closer up look of how the Soudabond subfloor adhesive works. So I've got a floor joist here which is quite uneven. You can see that lip over the top. Normally you'd put a planer over the top of that so you wouldn't lay a floorboard straight over the top. But the good thing about the Soudabond subfloor, it actually fills gaps. So we'll put our 12mm bead all the way along the edge there, put our flooring board down. I'll pop a couple of nails in, and as you can see, the foam, which has turned to a gel, now the board is down, is returned back to a foam, filling those gaps. And that's the qualities in the product that stops floors squeaking, because it fills the floorboard entirely all the way throughout, no matter if there's undulations in the joist or the floorboard. A huge advantage for the Soudabond subfloor adhesive system. Time to adjust boards is about 10 minutes. Curing time is 4 hours and reaches full strength in 24 hours. For all you tradies, you like to save time and you like to save money. Well, with the Soudabond subflooring system, this one can replaces up to 12 cartridges of normal construction adhesive. Also, installation time can be reduced by up to 50%. That's saving you time, that's saving you money, that's more in your right pocket. So for more information on the Soudabond or any of Soudabond products, go to soudabond.com.au.